Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing an acrylic pour swipe. I've got Paynes Grey that I'm going to use for some negative space, and I've got this blue palette with a pop of green and a little bit of champagne gold. So my plan here is I'm going to put some puddles through the middle and the negative space is going to be on the outside. And I want sort of two swipes. This has been inspired by one of my old paintings. I might start off with this colour here. This is the Manganese Blue. And then this one here is the Arteza Waterfall, Pearl Waterfall. Very pretty. This one here I've made up, but it's mostly the Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. It's got a little bit of iridescent white in it. Looks like I'm copying myself here. Then we've got some of the champagne, which is mostly Liquitex iridescent white. But I've added some other colours. I put a little bit of Deco Art champagne gold, but it wasn't quite champagne enough for me, so I added some extra colours. And this is Prussian Phthalo blue. Just trying to work out how much colour to put down. Basically, I want to swipe this way and then this way. So let's get a little bit of the green in here. Let's go the manganese. All right, I might use the rest of the Prussian Phthalo blue on the outside so that this is what touches the colour palette rather than the Paynes Grey, because this is going to dry fairly dark. Might as well fill that in. And then I'm going to put my Paynes Grey down. I'm going to add a little bit of that in there. Yeah, let's put the Paynes Grey down. I'm going to save a little bit in my cup, and I might, while I let that sit, let's torch it. I'm just going to get my Paynes Grey out and quickly paint my corners. So this doesn't look like much at the moment. All right. So I'm using Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol as my swipe mix. Right, let's try this. I'm going to take it back a little bit further. pretty. Let's turn it around. Not quite as wide here as I would like. So I'm going to put some extra colour down. Getting a little bit of black in here, that's the only thing. See if I can go to the top of it. Oh. Something like that. Just get some of that richer blue in. I've got a little bit here, but it kind of ran out, so let's see. Right, Oxide Black. And then just tilting that to level it. And cover it completely. All right, here we go. Nice. Not a huge amount of the champagne gold in that one. So I am tempted to take a little bit through here. Like that. Nice. Right, we are a little bit heavy up this way, so I'm probably going to want to, I think I will go that way first. Lock this side off here. I probably want almost double the size of what this is now. So I want to sort of take it to here and here. Let's see how we go. Okay, I think we need to go that way next. It's a shame we're gonna lose a little bit of, oh, okay. Not exactly what I wanted. That's looking good. But before I continue, I've got some lumps in there. Let's get those out. Just turn it around. All right. Don't want that to go off the top. It has slightly. I'm just going to work on this composition a little bit. that's kind of cool. Yeah, this actually kind of makes it a little interesting with that bit up there. Okay, I will bring it in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And obviously this is the way I was looking at it, which I think probably looks better than the way you guys were looking at it. So, got some nice lacing in here. It's very soft through this edge. You've got a bit more of the Prussian Phthalo blue around the outside of the top edge. And some big cells. And a bit of bright colour here. The rest of it, we've got lots of green, and then the rest is fairly blended with a little bit of that champagne gold. So yeah, we'll see how this goes when it's dry. These, we've got the metallics here, a little bit of metallic in these two as well. So we'll see how that dries. I'll bring it back then. Okay, here is the dry result. And I'll bring you in for a closer look. You can see the waterfall colour, that pale blue, is got a nice shine to it. And that top swooping bit, it's kind of cool. Then we've got some greens and lacing and softness through the bottom. There's actually a bit of black lacing here on the Paynes Grey. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, I like the overall effect. I like the negative space. I'd love it if you could give me a name for this one. Yeah, not sure what to call it. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.